there is no shadow of doubt that whatever was revealed to him, Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was revealed along with the harakat. But also it should be remembered that among Arab tribes and Quraysh also, the same word was used, was spoken or uttered with slightly different zir zabar, that is fatah, kasra, etc. So principally God also spoke to him, I believe, in other qiraat to indicate that the same word is being used differently, being spoken differently by different Arabs. But the qiraat which Allah wanted to preserve is the central qiraat which had to be taken care of, and this was principally done at the time of Hazrat Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu. But when he did it, he collected all the material that was available in the Quran. Unfortunately, in that material, harakat were not shown. It was not the custom of Arabs to show harakat because they knew, of course, this is our own thing. So Hazrat Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu took special care to collect different qaris and to inquire from them which was the preferred qira'ah of this. So Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had made it known, this is the qira'ah which must continue forever. So then he chose that qira'ah. You understand? So that's the answer, I hope, to your question. Is this the question you wanted to find out or something else?
الآن في الجماعة هل ممكن أن نقرأ عدة قراءات مثلا الإخوة المبايعين من المغرب والجزائر وتونس مثلا يقرؤون؟
This I can't understand.
But he said some new people who have joined our Jamaat in the last few years, for instance from Morocco, Tunisia and Algeria, they pronounce few words differently from what we have in our Jamaat. He's asking...
No, of course, because of our literature spread of Ahmadi versions of the Quran, which is based on Mustafa Usman, so they will rectify their pronunciations all right with the passage of time.
Okay, that's what his question. طيب خدم لنا الترجمة دقيقة من فضلك.